This is the afternoon of May 16, 2026. Good afternoon, everyone. There are controversies surrounding what Donald J. Trump broke yesterday when he said that the U.S. forces in Nigeria killed the ISIS commander, second in command globally. And there are mixed reactions because on the 14th day of February in this year, the Nigerian army also posted that they killed the same man. So this is raising controversy. And people are saying, why is it that the Nigerian soldiers are always lying about the activities and all those things? Why would they say that they kill someone that they eventually admitted that U.S. troop killed the person today? The same person they said they killed in February 14. And today now the defense headquarters is confirming that yes, United States troops killed the person. And secondly, why is it that anytime United States carry out attack in Nigeria against the terrorists, the Nigerian government or the armed forces, they won't be the one to break the news. That is to say that they are not always aware. Then the collaboration that Trump was talking in that tweet, what kind of collaboration is that? So is it collaboration of giving you permission to kill the terrorists? I think that could be the collaboration he's talking about. But now, let us focus on what I was saying. This man, Abu Minuki, he was not in the country on February 14, and the United States government knew that he was not in Nigeria in February 14, around that time, that the Nigerian government posted that they killed him. If you understand the tweet Donald Trump, posted yesterday, I call it tweet on Truth Social. So he said that the man was hiding in Nigeria, and this same man is a Nigerian. He said the man is hiding in Nigeria. He's now dead. So he was hiding in Nigeria. And this same man is a Nigerian. I want you to understand that this man is not always in Nigeria. So he was operating internationally. At the time, he was in Mali. At the time, he was in Syria. At the time, he was in Lebanon. From Qatar to Nigeria. From Nigeria to Qatar. The route he normally used is Kano Airport, Kano International Airport. That is the route this guy normally used. At a time, okay, let me not say so many things. Let it not be that I'm deviating from what I'm talking, because I'm trying to address this controversy that people are even doubting what Trump posted, because Nigerian soldiers said they killed the same person some time ago. So this is where the controversy is coming. I'm trying to let you know that that time the Nigerian soldiers posted that they killed this man. The man was not even in Nigeria. Now, let me also make you to understand another thing. Most of the time, I see a lot of comments on my videos, and they will say that, Okocha, why is it that you don't always praise the Nigerian soldiers anytime they kill the terrorists, or anytime they do this, or anytime they do that? You only report few. Yes, I only report few because I report the one I know. Like, if you have been following me on this platform, I don't talk what I don't know. If I hear something that I don't know, I do research before publishing them. So I don't just see what Nigerian soldiers posted, I will copy it and post it. Okay, if I had posted that this man was killed in February, how will you feel today? Will you still trust what I will be reporting to you? If as Nigerian soldiers posted that they killed the same man that the US troop killed yesterday, this man was the one that kidnapped Nia Shaibu. Shaibu that Reno Mokiri used to get fame, going around the countries of the world, telling them that this is a Christian genocide, that they had her because of her faith. And today now, the same Reno was also trying to defend that there is no Christian genocide. Money, politics, money, activities. But that is not what we are talking about. So this man is responsible for the abduction of Nia Shaibu. This man is also responsible for Dapchi girls in Yobe and many other kidnaps. But guess what? If you talk, you will die. If you did not talk, you will die. This man was not working alone. This man was working to the same agent in Nigeria who are sponsoring insecurity. This man is also in collaboration with so many people, and he has been going to meetings. They don't see him as a threat. Nigerian army, they knows the camp this guy was using in 2023. I mean, the Nigerian soldiers. I'm saying it openly now. Nigerian soldiers, they knew the camp this guy was using. He was using a very big camp to coordinate activities. Nigerian soldiers, they knew, they are aware of the camp. Like, this man is not a kind of people that most Nigerians call a terrorist. They knows his whereabouts, his movement, and everything. So the question is, why is it that they have not been able to kill him since? They even lie that they kill him so that they will stop looking for him. They try to trick the US and trick other international bodies or countries like Israel who have been looking for this guy. They trick them saying that they killed the man. And guess what? Countries like UK praised Nigeria for killing this man in February 14th. If they tell you, if they explain things to you that is going on in Nigeria, you will not understand. Now, there is also an Islamic cleric. He's famous, always on social media. This man have been bound not to enter some countries like Saudi Arabia. He was in Nigeria 7 months ago. He was in Nigeria 7 months ago. When he was going back, who went back with him out of Nigeria? When he was going out of the country, who went out with him? This man used to lead debates between Christians and Muslims online. He has beers, fair in compilation, always putting on cap. I believe you know the man I'm talking about. Anytime you are seeing debates, all those viral debates online between Christians and Muslims, this man is always the leader or anchor. You knew when he came to Nigeria, when he was going out of Nigeria, someone left with him. And after some months, they came back in March. So that is why I am now doubting what Nigerian soldiers posted, that this man was killed in February 14. And to clarify what I'm saying, Nigerian Defense Headquarters, they admitted that this man had been killed. So that is to say that, yes, he was never killed. Do you remember Shekau, the leader of Boko Haram? They have killed that man up to 7 times. They have killed the man up to 7 times. Like, today they will tell you that they have killed Abubakar Shekau. Tomorrow they kill Abubakar Shekau. Next tomorrow, Abubakar Shekau will give a briefing. Next tomorrow they will tell you that they killed Abubakar Shekau. Next week, Abubakar Shekau, whether he will resurrect or he will still come out to give briefings and so on and so forth. Like, what is the problem? Anyway, it is what it is. Well, let's just be hoping. Let's just be hoping that US will go deep down to people who are sponsoring them. And I've been saying this, that people should arm themselves. Number one, I understand it's not easy in this economy for you to buy a gun, do all those things. But it is easier and more cheaper than your life. And I'm not saying that once you have a gun, it guarantees that you are not going to die. But it will save you a lot, especially if the vigilante group in your community are many. So when I mean arm yourself, go to vigilante training, go to Nigeria Hunters Association training, there are so many security outfits that at least you can own a pump action. They will license it for you expressly. If US can go after people who are sponsoring terrorism, then these terrorists that have infiltrated Nigeria, or part of Nigeria, the people can go after them. Once the sponsors are disconnected, then let the people arm themselves. Get your own gun, and these people will never win this war. They will not win the war. So I'm looking forward to time when I will see the terror sponsors being apprehended, because all this targeting of one person, it might be the start, but I don't know where it's going to lead to. I don't know the sources it's going to bring. Yes, this man they killed yesterday is a terror sponsor, not just their leader. His sponsor coordinates activities globally, and today he's dead. So let's see what happens. But this is just to clarify the controversy that this man wasn't in Nigeria on the day that the Nigerian soldiers said that they killed him, and today he is dead.